It is knit crate time. It has arrived. This is the December knit crate box. I get the membership box. So let's take a peek at what is inside. Hold this, whatever it is, it feels very soft. There you can see it. Huh, funny, usually it has tissue paper in it. I don't see any tissue paper this time. This is, oh, there's an extra in here. We'll get to that. Okay, it is Vitalana. It is Vitalana. And this is the Lofty DK. Its color is called Mittens. It is 45% merino, 20% baby alpaca, 30 and 32% organic cotton. It is really, really soft. I mean, like really soft. And it is one of those braided looking, let's see if I can get this to focus. There, you can kind of see it. It's braided. And it's a mix of like a white and a cross between a white and a rosy mauve color. And there are 2 skeins of this. How much yardage? 274 yards in a 250 meter skein. So all together we have 548 yards here. It's really pretty. Let's see what they want to make out of it. It does have an extra with it. It has a logo pin. They sent one of these before and it fell off and I lost it somewhere. It was silver. This one's black and white. And it just has the little lapel pin on the back. I will put it someplace different this time. I had it on a project bag and it popped off and I never found it again. Here's what the front cover of the magazine looks like. And this is the yarn and they've made it into a scarf here. So let's see what we've got. The choices could have been, oh, she's wearing the purple apparently. These were the choices. It could have been a green. And this back here is a purple. It's like a deep purple. And then over here is the color that I got. Because I'm in the Energize Me. So I guess I said purple, but it's actually a brown. It's not purple, it's brown. Okay, let's see. These were their sock yarns this month. All tonal colors. Usually they're a little more speckled and stuff, but they did all tonal this time. And they have patterns here there's 4 total patterns. They have a sock pattern that's crocheted and they have one that's knitted. So I'll show those to you first. This is the knitted sock pattern and it has some detailing up the front. And then the crochet one is right here. And then there is the scarf. This is crocheted and they've added some pom-poms to it. And then the knitted version is leg warmers. So the scarf is called the Wild Berry Scarf by Holly Gessaman. And the leg warmers are called Keep Me Cozy by Ashley Robitis. So here is a little bit closer up of each of those. Here is the scarf. And there are the leg warmers. Looks like it's mostly eyelet lace. I'd probably go for the scarf. Of the 2, that's what I would probably go for. Here is the knitted sock pattern called Holly Socks. And that is by Lauren Gates. And the crocheted pair is called Fireside Socks by Brenda K.B. Anderson. And here is the crocheted socks. The sock box that you get one skein. The membership crate, which is what I get, you get two. Next month's theme for January is called Citrine, which is like a gold. And there is their color palette that they will draw off of. And around December 20th, they will show a preview of what the yarns will look like. And if you're a member and you want to change your color scheme, because you can choose between Chill Out, which are cool colors, you can get Energize Me, which are warm colors, or you can choose a neutral base, which are basically your neutral colors. So you do have a choice. You can say surprise, anything goes, which means surprise, you don't know what you're going to get. I kind of like the option where I can choose a little bit more, because there's sometimes some colors are pretty, but not necessarily pretty on me. But I do like these very much. So that is this month's Knit Crate unboxing.